Live.
Hey guys, today is day 31 or 32, I can't remember, but we're in the live Facebook challenge and I got no time to talk. I got to do laundry. Here's the thing, I work smart, not hard. Other people in my family, when they do the laundry, they hang everything up like they should down here, but sometimes they hang it up all random, and then when they bring it upstairs, they're having to separate between rooms and where it goes in the closet. Not me. I organize it all on my little rack here ahead of time, carry it up one by one, got this thing covered because I believe in working smart, not hard. Now, I'm just teasing about my family. They all caught on to this too, and they know how to do it as well. But it's amazing how often we do things the hard way and we don't think them through first to do them the smart way. So I look like a bum today. I forgot to say that. But that's because I'm doing cleaning and stuff around the house. So I didn't have time to put makeup on. But we can work smart and not hard in everything we do. Always look for an opportunity to do that. I remember years ago too, my dad, when he worked as a sexton at a school that was housed by our church or sponsored by our church, he used to complain all the time that as soon as he did the cleaning in the school building, it was dirty again. And we used to tease him and tell him job security. Well, I have this to say to you about laundry. What is the job security in that? It just keeps coming and coming and coming. It's a never-ending thing, and it's a thankless job. But if you can figure out a way to work smart and not hard, it makes it a little bit easier. I hope you're having a great day. I will talk to you tomorrow.